Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update your iPhone to iOS 14. 5 or later and sign into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Location services should be available. Remove the AirTag's plastic tab, then hold the AirTag close to your iPhone. You'll see a pairing animation appear. Tap Connect. Make sure to listen to on-screen prompts. This initial connection registers the AirTag to your account and begins the setup flow. Next, configure identification and location options. Choose a preset label like keys or backpack, or type a custom name so you can instantly recognize the AirTag in Find My. Tap Continue to assign it to your Apple ID. This links the AirTag to your account and allows Find My tracking. If you own an iPhone with a U1 chip, enable precision finding for directional guidance. Make sure location services and Find My network settings are allowed so offline finding and notifications work correctly. To finish, confirm the AirTag appears under Items in the Find My app and check battery status. Tap Play Sound to verify the speaker works. Test locating the item on the map and enable Lost Mode if you want alerts when found. If setup fails, try a simple reset. Remove the battery, replace it and press down until it clicks 5 times, then reinsert and retry pairing. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and ensure Bluetooth and iCloud are functioning before attempting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.